Hello. 10 silent causes of sudden fish pond mortality. Mistakes most farmers still make up till now. If you are a poultry or livestock farmer, perhaps you are a fish farmer. This particular content is majorly for fish farmers and livestock farmers. Remember that all the livestock are almost the same. They have life, they live in an ecosystem, they eat food, they use water, and all of them are in the same. So whatever you are learning from fish farming can be applicable to poultry farming also. So I will always advise you to watch all the videos. Don't skip any of the videos, and don't select videos in as much as it has to do with poultry and livestock, because all livestock have life. So, and you are into livestock farming, are you into feather birds or four-legged animals? They are all the same. All they have life, and they can be applicable to mortality anytime. So if you're a poultry livestock farmer, watch this video. You're a fish farmer, this video is majorly for fish farmers also, and those that intend to go into fish farming. Don't say you are not into fish farming as of now. Tomorrow you may even be the best fish farmer in your area. So watch this video. As you're watching the video, see where they are not getting it right, why all these fish are behaving like this, why there is high mortality in this fish pond. I'm going to give you reasons, 10 silent causes of sudden fish pond mortality, mistakes most farmers still make up till now. I will also give you the details of what you can do to avoid all these mistakes. Please watch this video, and it's going to help all the farmers, both poultry, livestock, even crop farmers can benefit from all this also. Please, it's very important. Are you a fish farmer? Are you a livestock farmer? Are you into catfish farming? Are your fish dying suddenly in your pond and you can't seem to figure out why? You are not alone in this race. Thousands of fish farmers across the globe face high and unexplained fish mortality without knowing the actual cause. In this particular video, we will uncover 12 hidden and deadly reasons behind sudden fish death that many farmers overlook. And we won't stop there. We will also show you simple practical solutions to help you save your pond and protect your investment. Whether you are new or experienced, this is must watch for every fish farmer and even livestock farmer. Please, I'm going to highlight all the points here and explain them one after the other so that you get the accurate knowledge of what it takes to be into fish farming. One of the deadly reasons is poor water quality. As I'm talking, I will be showing you the video, and at the same time I will also explain the main causes of this particular mortality in the particular video I'm giving you. That's why it's very important to watch this video till the end. And if this particular topic interests you, both as a poultry farmer, livestock farmer, fish farmer, or anything at all into poultry and livestock, give this video a thumb up. And at the end of this watching, please drop your comments on the comment section and share this video to reach more farmers. Number one is poor water quality. Number two is overfeeding. 3, sudden temperature fluctuations. 4, low dissolved oxygen, DO. 5, poor stocking density. 6, introduction of infected or weak fingerlings. Use of contaminated or untreated water sources. Presence of predators or invasive species. Accumulation of waste and sludge. Poor pond preparation before stocking. Lack of biosecurity measures. And use of harmful chemicals and pesticides nearby. Some fish farmers, most of the time, termites will attack their farm, the roof of their farm. They will not use any pesticide or insecticide to treat it, without minding that they have another life that are detrimental if such chemical emits into the pond, or even the odor can even affect them. So please watch this video. As you are watching it, see what is happening in this particular pond, I also guide you. And at the same time, at the end of this video, I'm going to bring another chicken farm, a small poultry farm. I also guide you why this person will not make it in this particular festive period, because she want to say this chicken this period. You will see the chicken and you also know why she will not make it. The chickens looks like as if they are only feathers. I will also tell you why it is like that. So that's why it's always good for you to watch all our videos, and make sure you subscribe to both channels, Dr. Leonard Charles and the Poultry Side TV, because one of the video will be here, the other one will be there also. So let me explain all these points one after the other so that you get all we need to get. I don't want you to miss out from anyone. Please, thank you for watching. Let's get. When majority of your catfish in the pond are standing and facing up as if they are praying for heaven to fall, it means something is wrong with their water. It means that the dissolved oxygen is not enough for them. They are now trying to use the atmospheric oxygen. That is, they are now breathing from the atmospheric oxygen. That's what it means. The oxygen in the water is gone. So they are at risk now. So everybody is trying to survive. That's why they are facing up. So when you notice this in your pond, it is a signal that you need to first change this water immediately if you don't want to lose oil. Another signal is when they are swimming and you notice that their swimming is not fast as it's supposed to be. It's not very sharp. They are swimming as if they are drunk or they are tired. That's another reason and signal, red flag for you to know that there is no dissolved oxygen in that water. The water quality is very important for fish, because fish can only survive in the water if the quality of the water is good. Some fish farmers will ask, is the water not neat? The color of the water does not determine the quality of dissolved oxygen in that water. The water may be as bright as anything, as clear as drinking water, but still no dissolved oxygen. So note this, please. During this period, they are standing and facing up. They will hardly eat. If you pour food here, they will look as if they didn't even know that there is food in the water. All of them will overlook the water feed, and because they are trying to survive. How can someone be looking for food when there is war in the water already? The lack of dissolved oxygen in the water is a war in the water for them. There is a war. So no one, just like there is a bomb blast for them in the water. How can someone be picking food when there is bomb blast? Everybody will pick his slippers and shoes and run away. So right now, as they are facing up like this, there is no dissolved oxygen, so they cannot even eat. If you spray food there, the feed will even increase the ammonia in the feed in the water to dissolve in the water and cause more damage to them. So instead of feeding them at this moment, change the water instantly without wasting time before anything. And if you change the water, don't give them food immediately. Please let me briefly rush all these points and explain them in brief before I analyze this video for you. Poor water quality. Problem: accumulation of ammonia, nitrates, low oxygen, or high carbon dioxide level. Solution: regularly test water using the test kit. Perform partial water changes and use accelerator system to paddle ways or air pump to add oxygen to the water. Overfeeding. Overfeeding is a very big problem in fish farming. Excess feed decays in water, causing pollution and oxygen depletion. Solution: feed fish only what they can consume within 5 to 10 minutes and remove leftover. Use quality digestible feeds. Sudden temperature fluctuation is also a problem. Rapid change in water temperature stresses fish and can lead to shock or death. Solution: avoid exposing ponds to direct heat or cold. Use shades or regulate inlet water temperature when possible. Low dissolved oxygen, LDO. Problem: fish suffocate due to oxygen depletion, especially at night or after rain. Solution: use aerator, water agitator, and avoid overcrowding the pond with fish. Poor stocking density. Overstocking leads to competition, poor growth, and high stress level. Solution: follow recommended stocking density based on pond size and fish species. This particular pond you are seeing here should not exceed 100 fingerlings, so that at maturity they will still have enough space. If you overstock it, it's going to create adverse competition level, especially when they grow bigger, and it's going to affect the dissolved oxygen in the pond, which will cause high mortality or poor growth level. Introduction of infected or weak fingerlings. Sick or stressed fingerlings introduction into the pond can cause disease to the pond. Solution: always buy fingerlings from a certified hatchery and quarantine new stock for at least 7 to 10 days before joining them with others. Use of contaminated or untreated water sources. Water may contain chemicals, pesticides, or harmful bacteria. Solution: test water before use. Use filtered or treated water and avoid runoff from farms or streets into your pond. Presence of predators and invasive species. Birds, snakes, frogs, and other reptiles, even other fish, eat or injure other stock in the pond. Use nets, fences, or scare tactics to secure your pond very well. Accumulation of waste and sludge. Waste from fish and feed settles and decomposes, releasing harmful gases. Solution: periodically remove sludges and use biofilter or beneficial bacteria to break down waste in the pond. Poor pond preparation before stocking. Problem: skipping liming or disinfection leads to disease outbreak in the pond. Solution: always dry and lime your pond before stocking. Use approved disinfectants and organic treatment. Lack of biosecurity measures. Cross contamination from equipment, workers, or visitors can be a very serious problem that can cause high mortality in the pond. Solution: enforce hygiene rules, limit pond access, and disinfect tools regularly. Use of harmful chemicals and pesticides nearby. Chemicals from nearby farms can leach into the pond and kill fish. Keep all buffer zone around the pond and educate nearby farmers about the impact of pesticides used in their farm and within the environment. If you are the owner of this particular plastic pond, watch this particular section carefully. Here are the 5 risks and dangers of using plastic, rubber, or container pond for fish farming. You can see high number of mortality in this particular pond. You can see most of the fish are already gone. Plastic and rubber can absorb and retain heat from the sun, causing the water temperature to rise dangerously, especially in the hot climate. This can lead to stress, low oxygen levels, and fish mortality. Chemical leaching. Some plastic or rubber materials may release harmful chemicals like BPA or phthalates into the water, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. Over time, these can be toxic to fish and affect their growth or reproduction. Low oxygen circulation. Many container ponds have limited surface area and poor water movement, which can lead to insufficient dissolved oxygen, a major cause of suffocation and mortality in fish farming. Cracking or leakage. With time and pressure, plastic and rubber containers can develop cracks or leak, leading to water loss, fish strays, and even fish escape if unnoticed. Poor waste management. Container ponds often have limited space and drainage, making it difficult to remove fish waste and uneaten feed. This leads to toxic ammonia buildup and disease outbreaks. Watch this particular fish. You can see that most of them are gone. So it means this particular process is a fertile one indeed. Check the color of this water to tell you that this water is not favorable for them again. It has turned to light green. See the water, you can see that it has turned to light green. What it means is that this water have overstayed, and the owner of this pond refuses to change the water. This has caused a lot of mortality to this particular investment. Always monitor your fish. Check dissolved oxygen. Use pH tester always to test the quality of the water in the pond, most especially if you are using plastic pond. Please, if you are watching this video to this extent, give one word to the owner of this particular pond. Please share this video to reach more farmers and drop your comment on the comment section. See you in my next video.